first man, make sure no one's on the line. On your mark. Stand up. You're on the line, guys. Get off the line. Yeah, hands up. Touch the ground. Stay off that line. On your mark.
Let's go, Steve!
Sophomore from Milliken, Pearson Forest, is running very fast this year. Just a sophomore taking the space out very quickly. As we look now, these were the team scores in our Division I Heat 3 at the halfway point. Loyola comfortably out front at 34. Vista Murrieta. This is Jason, 16
Up there, Hill, big arm. Buddy, this is your spot. You're in 6. You gotta get some separation, bud. You gotta get some separation. Go to work here. Go to work, Nolan. Come on, Nolan. Jacob, that pack is 6th place right there. Right where Nolan is. You're only 3 seconds behind. You're only 3 seconds back. Keep moving up. Keep moving up, Jacob. Attaboy. This is where you get him. Keep passing, guys, Jacob.
Go, Ruben!
Come on, you gotta work back here.
Jamie!
Come on, Elijah.
Come on, Harry!
Come on, Andy! You gotta skip. Come on, Andy, you're running great, dude. You gotta work for it, man. Keep moving up. Keep moving up. You're doing awesome. Next pack. Keep moving up, Andy. Let's go, Corey. Come on, Corey, go help Andy.
You got it, Corey, right there. He's coming back to you.
Andy, this is your part of the race. Go find Andy and help. There you go, Cam. Cam, go get Corey and help him. Cam, go get Corey and help. Go get Corey and help. Keep moving up, Cam. Keep moving up. Keep moving up. Let's go, boys. Keep moving up. Come on, Brody. Come on, Matty Judd. Let's go, gentlemen. Work on the road. Boy, attack!
Come on, part is over. We're gonna dig deep now. Come on, Jose!
There we go, finish all the way through, fellas. Finish all the way through, fellas. There we go, finish through.
San Clemente and Rancho Cucamonga with all 5 hit scores in the top 25. And Fitzgerald and Simmons stay shoulder to shoulder all the way to the finish, running 15:40 and 15:41. Para comes back into third for Milligan at 15:49. Jimmy Dominguez of Santa Ana 15:51. Glenn Bell of Rancho Cucamonga fifth at 15:55. Hayden Buchman of San Clemente 15:55. Fredericks of Saugus 15:57. Santaka and Ephraim of San Clemente go 15:58 and 16:09. Visar of Orange Vista rounds out the top 10 at 16:14. It's like Crescenta Valley, San Clemente, and Rancho Cucamonga solidly through in a good battle here with Trabuco Hills and Milliken for that fourth and final qualifying spot.
There's a lot of putting back into this one sport. It's got a ton of horsepower. Yeah, I do. You're right. Super good. It's gonna be a good day.
Our team scoring here in that final heat, we have San Clemente and Crescenta Valley almost in a dead heat. We've got San Clemente right now at 59, Crescenta Valley at 60, and Rancho Cucamonga at 73. It looks like Trabuco Hills, that young squad, will move on in fourth at 105, and Santa Ana and Milliken at 115, Huntington Beach 155, and Anaheim 235.